95.29% of the persons with disabilities have access to schools during their lifetime. Despite improvement in the healthcare system of the country, the situation is differently able children remains deplorable, particularly in rural areas and among the lower socio-economic population. Now, if I go through this one, you have seen that 4 to 8% na ki non shang snong ha India ki day ki ba don jin duna ha ki department ba pet ma. So next day minta pindah plakat. The pseudo stigma attached to the disabilities makes family members hide the fact. This is true. If a person or any children born within the family, and if anybody says that, oh, my child is mentally he or she is not fit, so what the parents does, don't let anybody know outside, and you should come in front, you should go to the concerned medical, seek help, seek medication. Then only your child or your family members, they will always be treated. Who knows? They may be okay. They from each and every side. So this denial becomes a hurdle for early identification and treatment. If beforehand, if you come to know that the child or member of the family is mentally unstable or mentally disabled, go seek the medical. Go to the doctor, seek medical attention. Then what will happen? The doctor will treat that person in time, and maybe by God's grace, the child or the family members will be recovered fully. And at her later stage, she may walk just as a normal person. Okay. Then comes the laws and legislation which are framed under the NALSA scheme. There are constitutional rights. Mentally and physically challenged people can avail fundamental rights guaranteed to an ordinary citizen by the Constitution of India. There are no statute bars. There are rights against discrimination. Article 15(2) of the Constitution of India, including mentally challenged people, cannot be denied access to public goods. Yes, there are no discrimination. Everybody is equal in the eye of law. As a normal person, who knows? We also may be suffering from mental illness. There are each and every person who are mentally ill this way or that way. It doesn't mean that mental illness means only those persons who are disabled. Those persons, maybe I am having stress, maybe I am in depression. Anyway, mental illness is there, each and every person.